What's up, you guys? This is once again Boogie from a Travel Maker. I'm here with my good friend Young, who's coming all the way from San Diego to visit the beautiful country of Romania. How's it going, Young?
Yeah, it's a beautiful country, and you definitely should visit here.
Yeah, he likes Romania. You see, definitely that's what it's all about. You know what? Here in Târgoviște, it's an absolutely beautiful city. And this is the place where the infamous Ceausescu, the dictators, were executed right here in this beautiful city. And today I'm in a beautiful restaurant known as Tuscany. Why not? It's a little bit of a mixture of Italian food with Romanian. And we are waiting actually for the best dessert, which is known as Papanași. What do you think? You ready for the Papanași?
Yeah, I think she's coming.
Oh, she's coming? Oh my God, it's actually here. So guys, we are going to take a look at that. Look, wow.
Yeah.
What do you think about this? Look at this.
Should be delicious.
Let's see frumos. Looks beautiful, guys. So now we're gonna give it a try. This is the most traditional dessert you can try, which basically what we have here, it's a donut with jam and sour cream, okay? And you're gonna love it. Go ahead, let's see how we like it. I'm so excited. And oh, look at it, we have a little bit of a thingy here. Let's see if we like this. I'm not sure, you never had this before, have you?
Yeah,
First time?
Yeah, first time.
Okay, take a little bit of a jam.
Oh, like this.
Oh wow. Now I have to see what's your opinion, how you like it. You take a little bit of everything.
Okay. Yeah, it's good.
You like it? It's
Yeah,
good?
it's really delicious.
So there you go, guys. From Travel Maker, once again, make sure you check us out. My name is Boogie, right here from Târgoviște, Tuscany restaurant, and I hope to see you soon.